Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. He was popularly known as a Netaji. He was a great nationalist and freedom fighter. He fought for the India with bravery. Subhash Chandra Bose also participated in the civil disobedience movement. Subhash Chandra Bose was the member of the Indian National Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1939. He was different from the Mahatma Gandhi because he was the violent freedom fighter. British puts Subhash Chandra Bose under house arrest. Subhash Chandra Bose left the country secretly in 1941. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great believer in Bhagavad Gita. He believed that the Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for fights against the Britishers. He is an unforgettable national hero. He did not want to work with the Britishers, so he did quit his jobs and started fighting for the freedom of the India. Subhash Chandra Bose first met Gandhiji on 20 July 1921 at the Mani Bhavan. He was very impressed with him. He joined the non-cooperation movement against the British in Kolkata with the Das Babu at behest of the Gandhiji. He married to the girl named Emily he met when he went to the Austria for his treatment. His wife Emily gave birth to the daughter named Anita Bose in 1942. Subhash Chandra Bose also started the radio in Germany to spread the independence movement worldwide. On 4 July 1944, he gave the famous slogan, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." He formed the Rani Jhansi regiment in his army, especially for the women, leading by the Captain Sehgal. Netaji also met the Adolf Hitler in 1942, who promised to provide submarines to him. With the alliance with the Japanese army, Azad Hind Fauj won many battles against the British. He believed that not with the non-violence India get independence, but with a fight against the British. Netaji was a great leader who sacrificed his life and family for his motherland and died for a nation. He founded Azad Hind Fauj with around 43,000 soldiers in 1942 to fight against the British rules. Subhash Chandra Bose's dreams regarding India were very simple. I will just make a point by point to keep it very simple and straight. Complete independence or Purna Swaraj from the British Raj, an undivided nation, no division on caste, creed or religion. India should have very strong army of its own, a complete and balanced source with agriculture and enriched by the industries. India should be the leader of entire Asia in all aspects. His dream is to make our India as a topmost country. He thought of making independent nation, therefore India should not depend upon any other country of the world. He planned to build a strong nation with love. He wished to make India as a standing example in front of the world, to make a unique identity